Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allazi khalaqal mauta wal hayata liyabluwakum ayyukum ahsanu amalan wa huwal azizul ghafur. Usefulness of followers described by Muhammad Nur Tajul Islam. Usefulness of follower. We love followers for their beauty and scent. They are symbols of beauty and purity. We use followers as a token of love, respect and gratitude. Follower kinds, size, color and smell described by Muhammad Nur Tajul Islam. There are different kinds of followers. They differ in size, shape, color and smell. Some are red, some are yellow, some are green, some are white. Some are pink and some are multicolored.
ये दुआ है मेरी रब से, तुझे आशिकों में सबसे मेरी आशिकी पसंद आए, मेरी आशिकी पसंद आए। ये दुआ है मेरी रब से, तुझे आशिकों में सबसे मेरी आशिकी पसंद आए, मेरी आशिकी पसंद आए।
Wall decorated by follower described by Muhammad Nur Tajul Islam. The wall is the darling child of nature. She has decorated her darling child with her various gifts. Followers are one of them. The wall is a land of flowers and beauty. Flowers lend smell, beauty, charm and color to the land. Various kinds of flowers bloom all the year round.